Aryan has been grabbing the headlines for quite some time now owing to his movie projects. For the unversed, Kartik Aaryan was replaced from Dostana 2 after his alleged tiff with Karan Johar. Following that, Kartik reportedly voluntarily walked out of a Shah Rukh Khan production, citing creative differences. Many reports were floating around targeting Kartik Aaryan and his unprofessional behavior. While Kartik's fans called it a smear campaign by Kejo, now director Anubhav Sinha has also come out in support of the actor. In a tweet, Anubhav wrote, "And by the way, when producers drop actors or vice versa, they don't talk about it. It happens all the time. This campaign against Kartik Aaryan seems concerted to me and very bloody unfair. I respect his quiet." Meanwhile, this week it was reported that Kartik has lost out on his third film following his feud with Karan Johar. According to a report on an online portal, Aaryan was roped in by filmmaker Anand L. Rai for his yet untitled production, a gangster film, but he is no longer a part of it. Reportedly, Kartik was in advanced level talks with Anand and had read the script and heard the narration too. But before he could sign on the dotted line, things reportedly fell apart. The report states that the fact that Karan dropped Kartik seems to have influenced others. However, Anand L. Rai put a rest to all these rumors, confirming to E-Times that Kartik was not signed up by his production house. Anand L. Rai stated, "There was no such film signed by Kartik. All these reports are baseless. There are so many actors who come to meet me, but that does not mean that he or she has been signed for my film." Talking about his alleged feud with Karan Johar, reports stated that Kartik and Janhvi Kapoor's ugly fallout was the reason why Kartik exited Dostana 2. It was later even reported that Kartik left Shah Rukh Khan's production because he felt that Katrina Kaif would look older to him in the film. However, no official statement has been issued by Kartik Aaryan as of yet. Meanwhile, on the work front, Kartik will next be seen in Ram Madhwani's Dhamaka, where he will be essaying the role of a journalist. He will also be seen sharing screen space with Kiara Advani, Tabu and Govind Namdev for Anees Bazmi's Bulbulaiya 2.